This was a great education for our scholars, our students, and even our teachers that were present, dispelling misconceptions and also helping them learn about this wonderful project that is coming to Brownsville.
I've really never heard of LNG. I've heard a little bit about it when, a lot of the stuff was rumoring that y'all would come here. A lot of people don't know about this, and a lot of people I think really should know about it, and it's a really important thing, especially if it's in our community, it's in our backyard.
I honestly think this was a very informative and resourceful presentation. The hands-on was very great. I think it gave everyone a better visual of what really happens.
This was literally a heart-to-heart conversation where we brought together the science and we connected it. It was brought down to a level where everybody understood.
Being able to attend these presentations, they're able to see just how many different types of jobs, of careers that they can have in the STEM area.
There's a good opportunity that you guys came to talk to us. That is a good opportunity to learn more about what they're actually doing here in the Valley and the procedures and the information that they gave us.
It's going to grow over for the next 5 or 10 years, and it's going to be sustained for a long period of time. So those opportunities are going to be there for them to get into the game, for example, of LNG manufacturing, and then become whatever they want to be in that company. They can go as high as they want.
What I saw was that there was a lot of different areas of opportunity for careers, not just in engineering and physics, but things like marketing, human resources, architecture, construction, and much more. So that is really great and really wonderful to frame for our students as they're thinking about careers and long-term education opportunities as well.
At the end of the day, we're here to create a better future for our students, for our families.
It's going to be very worth it for not only us, but for the whole world.